Hello everybody, I am on the road again. So today I am traveling to Brussels, and the reason is to attend the final workshop of the project EU RAP. This is a project financed by the European Union, aiming to analyze, to review and maybe to criticize also the implementation of the radon action plans in the EU member states. We have had several online meetings over the last 2 years, and today and tomorrow will be the last final meeting, face-to-face with all together. The European Directive Euratom BSS 59/2013 had to be implemented in the EU member states in February 2018. Implementation needs a lot of work by the member states, changes in the legislation, etc. So I will be updating what is going on this very interesting meeting, and yeah, see you all the colleagues in Brussels. By the way, I will be late. My flight has several disruptions, and my flight was cancelled today at 2 in the morning, and I was rebooked at 2 in the morning also. So yeah, a little bit difficulties to travel there, but hopefully everything will be fine, and I will arrive soon in the afternoon to Brussels to join all the radon colleagues in Europe. Bye bye.